In this video, you're going to see our 4 favorite upgrades to the 010X, one of which solves the most frustrating aspect of riding an extreme performance scooter. This is the rugged clamp for the folding mechanism. Honestly, like almost every single dual motor super fast scooter has some wobble until now. We've installed it already on the 010X we have here, and unlike literally every other extreme performance scooter, this has no wobble, zero wobble. So when you spend thousands of dollars, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on your brand new electric scooter and it comes with a wobble, that is not what you want. You want to have a solid piece of machinery for when you are riding at 40 miles per hour. You don't want wobble. This is the only thing that's gonna do that for you. The only con for this is that if you're actually trying to fold your scooter up, it's actually quite hard to fold. To take this apart, you gotta pry this thing off and then, just keep tapping it until you can get it up. We recommend this upgrade for anybody that doesn't need to often fold their scooter. Bang for your buck, this is the #1 upgrade that you can get on the 010X that makes your ride go from good to great.
Hydraulic brake upgrade dramatically improves the feel and performance of the disc brakes on the 010X. No cable friction means they require very little effort, almost like the feel of having power brakes. It means that there's just a very direct connection between your fingers and the calipers. The brakes are much less likely to squeak when you have hydraulic brakes, and the reason is on a mechanical caliper, the pad is pushing from one side against the rotor, and the pressure is a little bit uneven, and that can cause squeaking. On the hydraulic caliper, the pads are pushing from both sides, and you get very even pressure, and that eliminates squeaking and gives you better performance. There are 2 cons to hydraulic brakes. One is that it requires a little more finesse. You've got a lot of braking power and it just takes a little getting used to. Once you get used to it, it's awesome. The other con is it's gonna ruin the feel of other brakes for you. You're not gonna want to ride anything but hydraulic brakes. Hydraulic brakes are available as an upgrade for the 52 volt, 18 amp hour 010X, but come standard on the other versions.
The next upgrade that I want to talk about is the folding handlebars. If you need to get your scooter into a smaller area when it is folded, then this is the upgrade for you. The pros for this are that there's actually no wobble in the handlebar. So many of the folding handlebars on so many scooters, if they do fold, you will get a wobble to them. There's literally zero wobble in this handlebar. So that is one of the pros. And then the other pro, of course, is that it can fold down. It's super tight to get unlatched, but that's good because it holds it really tight. Now, the con, as you can see, the left side folds in pretty nicely, but the right side here, as you can see, if you have this unit, you can't get it to fold all the way because the keyed ignition here is actually blocking it from folding all the way. If I had a choice of which handlebars are actually better, I would say the ones that come with the scooter are better because you can actually rotate those handlebars to get them higher or lower. That's the way that the standard handlebars work. And then they're a little higher. These handlebars, one of the cons also, they're a little lower than the standard, and I do feel like I'm leaning a little bit forward. So that's another con. This upgrade is called the Electric Vehicle Immobilizer Alarm. And it is a fob with an alarm and an on and a lock and an unlock paired along with a keyed ignition. So you put that in, turns it on, it'll tell you your voltage. That's the only way that you can get the scooter to power on is if you see this voltage on. So there's the lock. You can see all this just turned off. Watch what happens if I try to roll away with the scooter when it is alarmed. Okay, so pretty annoying if you're quickly running into the corner store or you're at home and you want to park the scooter on the side of your house, somewhere that you can easily hear the alarm and run after somebody that's trying to steal it, that's the best use case. The main con for this is that if you lose either of these pieces, you're essentially locked out of your scooter. Overall, this is an okay upgrade if you do a lot of quick trips or you think you have a use case for this. But it's not one of the high recommendations that we have for one of the accessories. Overall, these 4 upgrades turn the 010X from awesome to amazing. The 2 most important upgrades, in my opinion, are the rugged clamp and the hydraulic brakes. The other 2, get them if they match your use case, but you will not be disappointed by getting the upgrade. This is Chuck with Electric Scooter Guide, your leading source for electric scooter reviews. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also in the comments, let us know what your favorite upgrade is. If you want to check out a video of the 010X in action, check out the video below. And if you want to check out the little brother to the 010X, check out the video below of one of my favorite scooters, the 09.